Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a mango.
Has
Hello.
mango.
Hey, yes.
How's it going?
Alright, considering stuff.
Oh, the
Yeah.
stuff? Yeah.
Are
Yeah.
you on lockdown, Mango?
Pretty much, yes.
Yeah.
So
Oh, really?
Yeah, we are.
you
It's
are
so
stuck.
soon.
Are you still doing? Do you still have like your classes and stuff?
Well, I don't have classes because I'm doing research, but
Right. You're. Yeah.
the
Well, but I mean,
face-to-face
like,
stuff at my
are you still able to do all that?
oh yeah, at the moment everybody's been
Oh.
all people who are doing HDR stuff at my university have said first years focus on just doing reading, second years start putting your papers together. It's pretty much like just drop all experimental stuff, just work on literature stuff for the next while,
Yeah.
which sucks. But you know, look, at least we can keep doing it. Like
At least you can. Yeah.
university classes are just stuff that require a lot of laboratories are just shut down
Right.
now, pretty much.
Yeah, that sucks. So is everything just kind of stalled? You're just like, kind of like, do all your whatever in the meantime.
Like I was preparing for a milestone presentation for about a month and about 8 weeks, and that did
Yeah.
it on not last Friday, the one before that, on the
Right.
20th.
What the heck are you doing there,
Wait, wait.
Chip?
We'd better split channels and I'll catch up with you in a sec.
Yeah.
Me and Soltan will just drop down to 1B.
So
Cool. Good luck.
Good luck.
I think we need that more than you guys, though.
I don't think so.
I should have a gimbal deal.
yeah, I think gimbaled multis are gonna be the thing in this meta.
We're gonna go to 1A.
Yeah. So Mango, you're not
Hey.
like
Can do.
you're not just
Okay.
like chilling, playing video games all day every day.
People are not
Alright.
playing, are the one talking.
Yeah, you're
Yeah.
right. So we're going at 30
Yes.
seconds, 6:30.
Yeah, I'd say Sultan. Who agrees? Sultan.
Soltan first. He has the better aim.
Yeah, he's also got the bio weave too.
And go.
Go, go, go!
Please, space gods, don't let me hit too many rocks.
Yep, I am first. Focus.
Fuck! Already hit a rock.
shields.
Ah, cascaded him. He hit a rock.
Yep.
Shields down.
Flight assist off. Flight assist on.
He's trying to get a reboot off. Spam him.
His drive's
Is that what
dead.
he's doing?
Dead. Where's the other one?
He's behind me.
Let's see.
I got no distributor, so basically if I fire my weapons, they're not gonna recharge, so I just
Yeah, just
have to
stay
avoid.
alive.
Yeah, my weapons are not recharging, so I got 2 more PA volleys left to fire.
Temperature critical.
Okay, power distributor back online.
Warning. Impulse attack. Trajectory to
Cancel.
Cancelled. Cancelled.
Ready. Zero.
He's dead.
Dead. Is he or not? Oh, there we go.
I shot him with a rail just to make sure.
I was having one charged up ready.